RB3. I went ahead and got the 14mm upgrade. And if you think you're just going to adjust that thing, you're not. It's up against a firewall, you may as well just replace the thing. A little bit of yellow marker for the win. Where is it? There's a yellow marker in there. Let me just put it this way. If you don't buy these, you're hurting yourself. Alright, so that last nut is back here where you cannot get behind. RB3 makes this kit, it just pushes the nut right there so you can just hold it so easily. Otherwise you're going to be fighting yourself holding the nut there. So, finally got my bolt and my tool doesn't fit. This is the largest one that comes in a kit. So I went to the Ace and they didn't have one that would fit. I went to Napa, they didn't have one that would fit. They had quite a large selection though. But this is what I came up with, and Napa had the parts. Figure it out yourself. Deep socket, run them in hard, Loctite, all that. This boot's hella tight, put a ratchet around it and just send it home. There it is, all said and done. Everyone's gonna know. No one's gonna know. But there it is, boys and girls. Put some new boots on there. Worked it all down. My alignment matched right back up to the old rack. So I just counted the turns as I took everything off. I like it.